Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. We are just getting started. Okay, so we just started streaming. I don't know what to do today. I'll wait till you guys get notification as I'm not receiving notification yet. Bro, is everything alright? Okay, we are live. We are live. अशोक आता आपण डान्स करायचा आहे. अशोक आता आपण डान्स करायचा आहे. ओके वेट. डबल वेट अ मिनिट गाइड्स. Hello Vinay Dada, how are you? So we are so back after so many days, almost 15 days I guess. They see, not really they see. I just had a little bit of fruit beer, which is not alcoholic. So let's get back at streaming. Hello Adimane, how are you? Huh? What? No, guys, I want to buy a new mouse pad. I'm thinking of buying something Spider-Man themed because I'm a big fan of Spider-Man. There are some spider mouse pads on or Instamart, but not Spider-Man themed or any. There are some simple mouse pads. You can buy one though. ओके सो चलो अब बता देता हूँ. मेरा नाम आदित्य सिंह है. हेलो आदित्य सिंह. फाइनली यू हैव आदि माने नहीं. ओके देन what do you mean by MANE? Okay, okay, okay. Adi man. Okay, bro. Actually, Mane is surname here in Maharashtra. If you don't know, Mane is surname. Like Mane. My surname is Desai. This is Patil. So yeah, Banda Vishay. This guy is Patil. By the way, Atharva Patil. Check out his Insta ID. He's vice captain of our college Baja team. Baha team. Jai Maharashtra, bro. If you know what is Baha, I'll tell you. I think I have said this already. No, we'll do that someday. Okay, so today I have no plan what to do, but still I'm going to build something. Okay, so recently I started working on a interactive robot, semi-humanoid robot, interactive, not really AI. Don't confuse it with AI or something like that. I don't do AI stuff because I'm just a normie in this field. So here I have some components. I have these multiple uh, VC0. Sorry, that's not VC02. This is ESP32 cam module, which is very cheap as compared to other camera modules. And wait, I need to do some adjustments here. Okay, this is camera module ESP32 cam, which is one of the easiest and cheapest camera modules. It has a 2MP camera. I think I need to adjust my camera and brightness. Okay, this is cool. Check this out. So this is ESP32 cam, and I have built some things with this ESP32 cam module. I have 3 of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just had some money, so I thought, why not buy? So I bought 3 of them. I have completed that project. Okay, so this is some inside talk. Me and my homie, we are talking about patenting something. I will not tell. I will not tell what we are going to patent, but we are working on it. Okay, and this is AI Thinker VC02 module, which is offline voice recognition module, and it can store up to 150 commands. Not really Fly Robo. I bought it from Robo. Sorry, not really Robo. I got it on Take SMS. For I wish I had supportive roomies like you. उद्या बसूया मग. होय येणार आहे मी. उद्या परवा दिवशी येणार आहे. परवा दिवशी गावाकडे घरला येणार आहे. शायद Take SMS. Yeah. I wish I had supportive roomies like yours. Bro, these guys look supportive, but they are not really that supportive. Actually, they are. People are talking about you. Someone said Satyam Singh, I wish I had supportive roomies like yours. Actually, all these guys are creative in their own way. So some people do 3D printing, some people do some other stuff. My other roommate is at ISRO. He's as an intern, working as an intern. Okay, so this is AI VC02 Thinker module. Satyam Prasad, support. Yes, support. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, because I am trying to do something, bro. Motivate me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I have this ESP32. I'm not sure which one, because recently I bought a lot of components along with microcontrollers and all. So I have these 2 ESP32 modules. So what I'm gonna do, so here is a plan. I have this बग मध्ये चालेल का मग बॅग मध्ये चालते की. Okay, so I have this ESP32. नहीं भाई सत्यम प्रसाद, नहीं भूला तुझे, नहीं भूला. 15 दिन बाद वापस लाइव आया हूँ, बट स्टिल आई रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ यू, एवरी वन ऑफ यू. ओके, तो अपने पास ये 2 ESP32. I'm going to use only one. This one has Bluetooth, inbuilt Bluetooth, so we will use this one. Then I have this VC02 AI Thinker module, which is voice recognition module. So the plan is to connect these 2 guys together. They will communicate with each other, and we will use this as a voice recognition module. We will store around 100 commands. It can store up to 150. Desi banda. Desi nahi. Nowadays I'm English, bro. Not really Desi. Okay, so we will store up to 150. We can store up to 150 commands. We will store around 100 or something in this module. Then yeah, 150 commands. And yes, you can you can make your project smart or room or anything, and it's all this for 700 to 750. Yeah, 750. Keep it take it as 750, bro. That's also cheap for voice recognition module. Let me show you some other voice recognition module, because there are some modules already present. Best candy. There are some modules already present in market, but the problem is wait. But the problem is they are expensive. They are very expensive. Okay. These for 2094. Okay, as you can see, they are very expensive, but this one VC02 module. Okay, this is the cheaper one. As you can see, this is for 750, 700, and I got it on Take SMS. You can do anything with it, like this is a microcontroller, so it has some GPIO pins inbuilt with it, some GPIO pins, UART pins, so you can communicate with other microcontrollers. Okay, this is now cheap. If you want to buy, I think this is the right time to get this one. Not sponsored by Take SMS. Take SMS, bro. If you are watching this, make sure you send me some components for promoting your website. I'll do it more. Okay, so I think I bought it for more than 640. So if you want to buy, you can buy right now because I feel this is cheaper. As you can see, it has VCC ground. This is the pinout. दे किसी की पुराने फ़ोन का माइक उठा के आर्डिनो में डाल के वॉइस प्रोग्राम बना दो. ओके ब्रो सत्यम. सुमित्रा हेलो मम्मी. ओके पुराने नहीं कर सकते ब्रो. You can use, but you can't use it as a voice recognition module. होय जेवलो. You can't use it as a voice recognition module. I don't know. Let's see. Where is Chat GPT? I don't think we can use. We can use as a sound sensor or something like that, but we can't use. Can we add? Can we use a normal mic? इतनी मेहनत क्यों करनी. हाँ, Arduino is not that powerful. Phone, sorry. Headphone mic with Arduino. Yes, there are some voice recognition modules for ESP32, but I'm not sure about Arduino. No, I think you can't use that, bro. You can, but not directly. Okay, what do you need? Okay, you need amplifier. Okay, so here is thing. You can build sound sensor, but not voice recognition. You can't do voice recognition with it. You can use as a. Okay, here's the thing, bro. It's easy. You can read like analog values. Arduino Uno से नफरत है मेरे को for real. Actually, Arduino is a base. You can't deny that it's a goated microcontroller or goated what we call that board. Yeah, development board. But you can't deny that there are some better. Yo, bro, I missed you. I missed you too, bro. Welcome back to the stream. I was little bit busy with some tests and all. I started attending college daily, all lectures. हाँ, बिगिनर्स के लिए यू कैन गो विद आर्डिनो. देन वंस यू वॉइस टाइप करना भूल गए चैट जीपीटी में. लेट्स ऐड वॉइस रिकग्निशन इन. Okay, I don't know the spelling, bro. Okay, the spelling. Chat GPT can understand me than any human being, I guess. Yeah, yes, TM32. Why alternative? Again, DF robot gravity. Okay, this is better than this module. If you go with DF, if you start here, please do PCB design. Okay, I'm learning PCB designing nowadays. If you follow me on LinkedIn or Instagram, I've been posting there. I post whatever my progress is low. It makes you very basic. It makes you very comfortable and pro. Okay, Yes, I have been doing PCB designing for last like 1 or 2 months, but I wasn't consistent. Nowadays, I am giving some time to it, and I'm learning on easy day. Before that, in college, they taught us Proteus, but I don't like Proteus that much. It was very older version, bro. So I nowadays I'm going with easy day, not really Altium. Which one is that? KiCad and sometimes Flux. But easy day, I feel easy day is very like easy day is best if you are. वो कौन सा Pokemon है पीछे? If you want to see Pokemon on that hoodie, KiCad, हाँ KiCad यूज़ करता हूँ. Then easy day I feel easy day if you are a beginner and you want to build some products, go with easy day. I have easy day here. This is my easy day. I'll show you that hoodie I designed some days ago, but there are some spelling mistakes and all. Okay, so these are some of my projects I built recently. RC receiver. Okay, you can give me advice because I'm very beginner at PCB designing. I recently started, and I know some rules that you can't do 90 degree with these traces. वो बंदा पॉकीमॉन दिख रहा है. हाँ वो है, अथर्व नाम है उसका. उसका एक निकनेम भी है, वो कभी और बताऊंगा मैं. दिस इज आरसी कंट्रोलर. Okay, I'll show you RC controller. Wait. Okay, this is RC controller. Okay. Okay, so the Pokemon is saying how to learn PCB designing. कधी येणार? 2 दिवसात येतो घरी. Okay, so this is a PCB I designed recently, a day before one crazy practical. Okay, so I have added some extra things. I'll show you. This is my RC controller, as you can see, IRL RC controller, and this is a I made all this on blank PCB, which is per board. And what are you seeing right now on the screen is what I designed recently. A thorough Snorlax. Yeah, that okay. I have another friend who is like proper Snorlax, same to same Snorlax. I'll bring him on stream one day. He's watching movie right now. Okay, so I tried to design this thing. I am beginner, so you can give me advice. You can critique this. Also, check this out. I had added a MPU 6050 here. As you can see, I wanted to do some more things with it, but I thought that's enough. इतना महान है एसटीएम ने चिप से अपना खुद का डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड बना दिया. ब्रो डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड, if you guys know about Jerome Physics or I don't know his name, Qubit Labs, check out that guy. He built, bro, proper like IDE. He built a IDE, own IDE. He built own programming board, and he added some more extra features, bro. Like a normal, it looks like a Arduino, but it has some ESP chip. Then SD card port. You can insert SD card. There is antenna to it and a lot. Processor soldering iron से नहीं करते भाई. There are some like proper Cyber Rager. By the way, Cyber Rager is my another stage name, you can say. And then I have this. What is this? Okay, I don't know what is this, but I have. Okay, this is weather station. This is weather station. Recently I worked on. Something went wrong here, guys. What the fuck? Something is wrong here. Okay, I think this is. Bro, I think I need to close some programs here. Hi, Arvind Technical Experiment. Hello. मेरे दिमाग में वो दारू बॉय का क्यों सेम रूम सेटअप है? Who's दारू बॉय, bro? सेम बंदे कॉम्बो. Who's दारू बॉय? Can you please elaborate? I want to check out Daru boy. Okay, this is weather station. Something is going wrong here. Let's try 3D. Okay, so this is weather station. This is SSD 1306. Brother, have you Raspberry Pi Piccolo? No, I have Raspberry Pi 3 B plus model. which has inbuilt Wi-Fi and all, but I don't use it that much because it takes a lot of time and I don't have time, because I have time but I waste it. Okay, so this is ESP32 development board dev kit based weather station. I'm going to use MQ2, MQ9 or MQ135, then DHT11, and this one is for I think some NO2 sensor. This is LED, this is for LDR, which will show if it's night or tensed while all these steps during exams. Bro, if you see me in real life, everybody asks me if I do drugs or something like that because and nowadays I'm getting dark circles and all, and my eyes and everything look like I've been drugged out. So I get tensed, I get fucked because I get very low marks, bro. Sometimes I get really low marks. Frequency wave oscilloscope using Raspberry Pi 3. Some guy built something like CRO using Arduino. I don't know if it's that was real or not. With mobile, okay, I'll try for sure. I'm still learning. Okay, then this can be a nice product. Let me show you. Okay, this is one. Asterix is also my nickname. Some people call me Asterix. I'll tell you why. Okay, this can be a product. Let me measure it. So its diameter is around 25 mm. 25 mm is basically, search Daruba. Okay, okay, I'll search. Okay, this is only 25 mm. Okay, not 26 mm. You guys think we can fit all these components in 26 mm? I think yes. Let's measure it again. Okay, so it's almost 26 mm, and this can be a like keychain or a locket or something like that. It has a this is basically LED flasher using IC 555. Not a big deal. Then this is a PCB CubeSat. We were trying to build a CubeSat. This is a laser security system. So yeah, I'm working on PCBs nowadays. I'm trying. The fuck, bro? Okay, I'll search Daru Boy. Wait. If you are saying this much, I'll search. Daru Boy. Bro, bro. I'm straight. I'm straightest man alive. I'm straight as fuck. I'm straight as a straight line. What else we have straight here? I'm straight as a ruler. I'm straight, bro. This guy is also straight. This guy right here, he is also straight. He is also straightest man alive. You will never find more straight person in your life than me and this guy. So don't say Daru boy or some stuff. This guy is fat, bro. How you guys find it like we both look the combo looks similar to them? By the way, I know this guy's name and all. He's from Bengal, I guess. His name is Saurabh Singh. Okay, I got it. Room setup same hey. Combo B. Bro, room setup is not really same, bro. Okay, so we were talking about voice recognition modules. Okay, let's get back to our okay, beta. Okay, so we were talking about our voice recognition module and all. So this is VC02 and I did some programming for this and for this also. So the good night when leak come, I can't even give you subscribers count, bro, because I'm never gonna do that. Even if you even if you subscribe and take even if I cross Mr. Beast, I'm not gonna do that. I'm good with my 2000 subscribers and 100 views. I don't want to do that. Wait, this guy is speaking on phone, and I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, 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 got it. I need to do something with this mic because this guy not gonna shut up. Okay, I'll just turn it. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me only. I'll put some. Okay. So I was talking about this. This is AI VC02 AI Thinker module, and this is the cable. We will connect this cable to this module, and as I told you that this can store up to 150 commands at a time. So I did some programming to it. There is a their special firmware for it. Then they have their website where you have to uh, okay, here it is.
Welcome to this stream.
उसके मुंह में दे दो. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I said, can you please talk lightly? Okay, check this out. Hey,
What's up?
okay, guys, I'm building a robot, and can you please tell me what should I name this robot? Can you please name this bot? It will be a semi-humanoid robot. It will have 2 or 4 wheels. It will have 2 hands. It will speak.
Call me if you need homie.
Hey, hey.
What can I do for you?
I hope you guys can hear me. Uh,
What's
okay, so I was trying to build Chitti. No, Chitti sounds little bit wannabe or something like that. Okay, I'll tell you the Nikono. Nikono sounds cool. What about Pinocchio? You guys know about Pinocchio? Let me tell you about Pinocchio. Pinocchio. How to spell Pinocchio? Okay, this is Pinocchio. If you guys know about Pinocchio. Check this out. This is Pinocchio. What do you think? Should we name this robot a Pinocchio? Name it Survender or Survender. Okay, the problem is this product is Chinese. By the way, I love China because their technology is crazy, bro. Okay, so that's the thing. This product is Chinese, and it can recognize only Chinese and little bit of English. And I tried some English other names, like I wanted to name it Orion because I have a startup like thing in the startup, and I named it 7 Orion Tech. So I wanted to name this robot Orion, but it could not recognize. It wasn't working properly when I called it Orion. Ping pong name based. So I wanted to ping pong. So I wanted to name it different, like something easy yet attractive or some science fiction stuff, bro. So I don't know what to name it. Can you please name it? I'll tell you the features of this robot. It will be a semi-humanoid robot, just like this size, in size, this around half a foot or around 20 centimeter tall. It will have 2 arms with servo motors and all. Then I'll add a speaker. I'll add a memory DA player. Uh, then it will be mobile controlled, basically Bluetooth controlled. As I'm going to use this ESP32 with inbuilt Bluetooth. So yeah, it will have so many features. I'll add Orion Tech name is taken its trademark. Okay, I searched for websites, and let's see. It's not final. It's to variety companies and projects. On a common name, bro. Common name. Take is a broad term. Okay, okay, okay. I'll show you. This is my. I don't even have a website. I just sell my projects here, and not really sell. I just list all my projects here, and I share link to my clients or say customers or or the people who want to build project. So these are some projects, and I share them this link. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm going to show you. What's that 7 or 9 take thing is. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. This is my mobile number, but you can't call this because it's not. You can't call this number because I don't even pay. I don't even recharge it, bro. So that's the thing. Okay. Stub seller, but blue one got it. Yeah, I have made it oscilloscope with mobile application AR also using Raspberry Pi because it works to check AC DC voltage frequency and is on market oscilloscope worth 20 to 30K. Why don't you copyright it, bro? What if tomorrow I build similar to something like that and I copyright it and I try to file a patent? Patent is hard, but you can at least copyright. If it's your original idea, or forget about original idea, even if you build it in a different way than others, you can copyright it. This guy right here, he has some copyrights. This guy, Daru boy, is not is Snorlax. This Snorlax has some patents. Not patents, sorry, he's not that great. He has some copyrights and it's not that big deal. So you better, if you, any one of you, if you have any idea, if you have built something in a different way, and if it's like something crazy, you can try copywriting or patenting. At least copyright it. Learn how to copyright it. Ask your teachers or professors about it, how to copyright stuff and all. I'm not sure how to do that, like, and what does it really mean, but they said copyright. Our professor said they have some patents and all. Really great people. So they said try copywriting it, and these guys had assignment something about copywriting. So yeah, Daru boy name registered. Actually, no, not really Daru boy. Something else, bro. In recent stream, people were calling him something different names, like crazy. Arvind, then why don't you copyright, bro? Try copywriting. His name is something different, bro. On stream, some people called it something different. I don't remember what was that, but it was different. Okay, let's try some commands. Hey, hey.
Go on.
Okay, this guy is speaking. Hey,
What's up?
turn on light. Move forward. Forward. I don't even remember. Let me just check that website first. Uh, English. Okay, let me tell you how it works. They have this their website where you can program this board. You can't really you can't program this on Arduino IDE or some or VS Code or any normal software. They have their special IDE. Not really IDE. Let's I'll show you. Let's try this. Bro, my PC is going crazy. Have you heard this song, by the way? Doraemon title song. AI Thinker VC02. Okay, open this website. Open this video from Take SMS. Then this is their website. Completely Chinese. I mean your language English. What do you mean, bro? Okay, this is English. Hey, chill, bro. Slow down, bro. We are live, bro. Okay. Product list. Login information has timeout. Please log in again, bro. I'm already logged in. That's my email, by the way. You can mail me if you want. I don't think you have any reason. Iron Man sound is better for your AI assistant Jarvis. Okay, so it is thing, bro. There are billions of million and billions of people who already built Jarvis. So okay, Jarvis is cool, but I want to name something else. Voice SDK. Uh, Edit. So this was the firmware, and these are some commands, voice commands. Okay, so this is the interface where you can modify your voice commands and GPIO pins. As you can see here, you decide which module are you using. Then this is voice SDK, and here you go edit, and these are some pin configurations. It's on you if you want to use any pin, how you want to use that pin. So as you can see, I am using RX and TX of this pin at baud rate of 9600. So all this you can check out complete tutorial from TKSMS. Then these are some voice commands. Go ahead. Sorry. Hey. Okay, so it's speaking. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, main channel or stream करा ले. Hey.
What can I do for you?
Okay, so as you can see, this guy can speak forward. Sorry, move forward. Okay, so here is the thing. This thing might listening my command, but the problem is, there is no reply word. There is no reply word here.
Call me if you need homie.
Asterisk link पट्टो. त्याला डायरेक्ट चेक करायला सांग की. Okay, so stream link. Okay, some guy is asking me for stream link. I'll be back in the second, guys. This is my senior and I need to share stream link. I should have posted on my Instagram, by the way. Also, someone said, "Can I call you?" Actually, they are asking for my consultancy. I'm not that great, but they are asking for consultancy from me. Okay, so we just lost a lot of reply make coming type based. What do you mean by coming? CUM or COM? Okay, so this is the website, and here you can modify your all commands and stuff. So that's cool. And it's very easy, but it takes little bit of time, around 10 minutes if your Wi-Fi is fast enough. Then left, right. So what I did here is, whenever I command it forward, both. Okay, I forgot the logic because I started this project around 2 weeks ago, and after that I left it as it is. So let's get back. Okay, so this is basic information. Then this is control details. So whenever I say hey, it sends A1 A0, which is hex code. I don't know what they call it. Okay, so basically it says A101. It sends A101 to my ESP32. Not really ESP32. It just sends through its UART pins, through UART communication. So you can use any microcontroller with it. I'm using ESP32. You can use any Arduino or anything, but you just have to connect your TX-RX pins just like you connect to your HC05 Bluetooth module. So like TX of this AI module, VC voice recognition module, VC module, TX of VC module to RX of microcontroller, RX of VC module to TX of microcontroller. So it's easy. And then you have to code your microcontroller that if you receive A101, then you will do this. If you receive A102, you will do this. So that's it. You have to do this around 100 times. So this is the basic code I have tried recently. and whenever I say hey, it sends A101 to this ESP32, and whenever this ESP32 receives A101, it does it work. Like it can be anything. Like I think I programmed it to turn on the LED, inbuilt LED, and whenever I say move forward, it turns off that LED. So it's very easy, and basically I have told you I have exposed all my upcoming project. I think I fucked it, and you can build it if you have this AI VC02 or voice.ai thinker module. And this is a Chinese product, by the way, so I don't know if it's reliable or not, but it's cool. Okay, let's get back to building something else. Okay, I'll show you how to get it work. This is ground and this is VCC. So basically I'm going to connect this VCC. I'll disconnect first VCC to V in of our ESP32. Then this is ground. I'll connect this ground to ground. To adjust my microphone again. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. So I just connected VCC to VCC, then connected ground to ground. Now I have to connect this TX. Where is TX? This is TX. Make sure you connect TX and RX properly. And here is RX. Now I don't know which one. As you can, if you know about ESP32, ESP32 has around 2. Wait, 0. ESP32 has 2 or 3 UART communication pins. Yeah, I'll show you the code. I need to get back at coding this project. This is basic code for Bluetooth controlled car. Okay, to be honest, I don't even remember uh, where I saved that code. Okay, VC02 ESP32 communication. That's cool. I think this is the one. Yeah. So I have to connect 16 and 17. Pin number 16 and 17. Where is 16? Bro, I forgot the pin out. I guess this was the 16 and 17, RX2 and RX1. So I have to connect this pin to the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for TX. Okay, we are ready, I guess. The code is already there. Hey, okay, it's working. It's working. Forward. Sorry, move forward. Move forward. Okay, as you guys can see, this thing is working. Hey, move forward. Okay, so whenever I say hey, it turns on the LED, and whenever I say move forward, it turns off that LED. So let me show you what's on my screen. ESP32. ESP32. I'm okay. Okay, as you can see, this is our serial monitor. Say hey to turn her on. Yeah, I'm using hey right now, but I want to change it to something else like a name. Hey is not really name, bro. Hey.
What's that?
Okay, so these are some hex codes. I need to change it to 9600. Hey,
What's that?
move forward. Okay, again we can't see the hex code, so I need to change it to.
Go.
Let's try again. I'll clear this. 9600. It's already 9600, bro. Hey. Okay, it's still not printing hex codes. I need to do something else. What else can we do here? Let's try. Okay. Hey.
What can I do for you?
What the fuck? Let's try changing the board. ESP32. Let's try this one. Hey.
Call me if you need help.
The fuck? Hey.
What's up?
Okay, let's try this at 9600. Hey.
What can I do for you?
Let's disconnect it and reconnect it. Hey.
What's up?
Hey. Hey.
What can I do for you?
Okay, this thing is working properly. The problem is we can't get any hex code here on this on this. Yeah, it's working, but bro, can you please print serial print? Okay, okay.
Call me if you need help.
It's not printing anything here. Serial dot begin. Okay, serial 2 dot available. Serial dot begin. The fuck, bro? Board भी like end to end encryption for real. End to end encryption हो गया इधर. Let's try again. Hey.
What's up?
Okay. Okay, guys. The mistake is I forgot to connect ESP32. Instead, I connected VC module. Now check this out. It will work now. I was dumb enough to connect the wrong board. It wasn't encryption or something like that. It was me acting dumb. Hey.
What's up?
Yes, as you can see, everybody move forward. Okay, let me show you. Hey,
What can I do for you?
move forward. Okay, it's working. As you can see, we have the hex code. Turn right, turn left, move backward, move forward. Hey,
What's up?
shut the fuck up. Let's see. I think I logged out of that website. I need to save this somewhere. I'll just
Call
star
me
this.
if you need help.
Okay, so the exit keyword is now convert hex into character. Okay, I don't want to convert hex into character. The real reason is this VC02 module, I think it sends only hex codes. It doesn't send, it can't send, I guess, characters or strings. So I'm going with this hex codes. And let me show you, I have another code ready here already. I was working on that some days ago. ESP32. Bro, it's very hard to find find codes. I don't remember where I saved that. I think this is the right one, I guess. Okay, wait. Hello Virendra Dada, how are you? I messaged your guy. He said, "Can I call you?" But right now I'm stream, so I'll call him after some time, or I will just message him. Okay, so this is the full code of that robot we are going to build. As you can see, this is our VC02 module working. It can communicate with ESP32. It can receive commands from ESP32. It can transmit commands to ESP32. So yeah, it's working, and this is the code. We are using SSD 1306 display, Bluetooth serial for communication with laptop. Yeah, I forgot to mention that this is not only a voice controlled robot. This is a full like voice controlled, along with my laptop will control it. There is some software stuff in my laptop. I'll just show you in the full video I'm working on. Bro, consistency is the key of success. I lost long ago. That's the problem, bro. I was never consistent. Then this is a library. Recently I got it, and this is the best library for SSD 1306 OLED display. It gives the ability to display different type of robot eyes. Then as you can see, we are using DF player, which will make us robot talk. Then this is the whole code. As you can see, I have added a lot of commands, and there is a surprise. I will reveal that. Bro, bro, I wasn't even commanding this guy, and it blinked. It this VC02 thought I said, hey, move forward, move forward. Something is wrong, I guess. Hey, move forward. Okay, so every time you have to command it, you need to use the command word first, like hey, hey, move forward. Hey.
What can I do for you?
Okay, this thing is working. Okay, so here is code. I'm going to control it through voice commands. Then I'm going to control it through Bluetooth. Not really Bluetooth. I have planned something else for it. I don't know if you guys know about it or no, but I will reveal that in some days. I'll share link. I'll share some stuff on YouTube community, YouTube Shorts, and my Instagram, and it will be fun. I can't reveal much. Some of you guys know about what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the upcoming project. Then also we were working on some companion robot. So okay, here is thing. I was trying to build a companion robot. I already built some companion robots. I was again building a companion robot, and I was scrolling Instagram, and some guy already made a similar product, very similar to mine. It wasn't exactly same, but it was similar to mine. So I was like, bro, I don't even know this guy, he don't even know me, but how come he build something similar to what's in my mind? It's not really innovative, it's just simple thing. But I was trying to add some extra new feature to it, but he added already. But still I have some other things to integrate with it. So yeah, I still have chances to launch a product. And will you guys buy me if I launch a product? I might do a giveaway of that thing. uh, I need to 3D print everything and all. I need to make it like a proper product. Then I can think about sharing it to someone or just gifting it to someone. Okay, so this was about our upcoming robot, and this is the website. And I think I should. Okay, so the thing is, this website is in. Hello, Tanishk Bhaiya, how are you? Welcome back to stream. So this whole website is in Chinese. You have to convert it into English, or you can just use Google's translator and create a product. I already have this product ready. Then no data yet. Hey, ah. Okay, so this is my chatbot, and these are some voice SDK files I built recently. You can edit and you can download again, and you can customize your commands and all. So it's pretty fun. Bro, I forgot that I'm not sharing screen. Okay, I need to build a stream deck first of all. Okay, so this is the website. This is in Chinese. I turned it to English. Then this is the interface where you can convert your you can customize your voice commands. Then you can decide which pins to use. There are around 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, everything is here. Whatever you need in a microcontroller, there is VCC, ground, SCL, SDA, like SPI communication. Then you have UART communication here, some GPIO pins, inbuilt microphone, inbuilt uh, speaker. So yeah, this is the best thing I think you can buy. if you have 700 rupees, and 150 commands is crazy, bro. There are some other voice recognition modules, but they're very expensive. Okay, so I don't know what to do now. If you guys know what else we can do, yeah, VC02 module. And this, I have this offline one. You can get one which is online. Like let's search about it. Yeah, I think VC02 online module online. I don't think anyone uses online because everyone is using offline. I got it on Take SMS. Let's try their original website. Okay, as you can see here, here I have selected offline version, but you can change it to online also. Why I'm unable to? I don't know, bro. I don't even have mods here on my stream, and I don't even do anything on chat in chat. Able to participate in live, any issues? Just try searching my channel, and you can try joining from there. And these are some voice SDK. Mm, I just showed you this. So forward, backward, right, left, then you can add more. I'll just try adding one by one. Not to join. Then I don't know what's the problem is. But to live chat. Uh this module is hidden gem for home automation, planning to buy one soon. Yeah, for real. Like I have tried it. I added some commands and all. It gives you hex code, and you can easily integrate, very easily integrate with ESP32 or any other microcontroller. Thank you, Arshad Dada. By the way, Arshad Dada is Arshad Sandhi is my senior. I was talking about in some of my stream, uh, along with this guy right here, Snorlax. And yeah, I was talking about their team and all in some stream. So this is the guy, and he was the captain of that team. Okay, so yeah, he's captain. He's still on that position. And yeah, you get these hex codes. It's on you about hex codes. As you can see here, I have this hex code here, A101, A102. Check this out here also. So yes, this is very easily customizable, and I have some commands here, and I want to integrate them with my VC02 module. Wait, I need to open that code first. I have a lot of sketches in my Arduino ID that I forget about the right one. Was sorry, bro. You are. Hey, Sus. Hello. Okay, I was talking about this code right here, and this is our website. So as you can see, this is a very big long ass code, and I'll explain that code in a full video. But these are some commands like forward. I want to edit this. Where to edit this, bro? Where to edit this? Let me see if we can edit it. Okay, I just want it to move forward. Action send. Okay, okay, okay. This is control details. We can edit it here. Command word. Move forward, move backward, turn right, turn left. Okay, that's cool. Hello, hello. Then we have in control details command word. Hey, move forward. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so whenever it receives command word, like whenever it receives move forward, then the behavior it will send move forward. Auxiliary monitor. For what? I think I need one. By the way, before building Stream Deck, for the time, try setting OBS controller app. We'll fund you. Okay, by the way, the webcam, this one is given by this Arshad Sandhi guy in the chat. Shout out to Arshad Dada for helping me out with his old Logitech 720p webcam. It's really helpful for a poor streamer like me. So shout out to Arshad Dada. I'll buy you cheese toast once you get back here. And yeah, so these are some command words and these are the behavior words. So whenever it says command word, I don't know what about behavior. Okay, I forgot about it. Before building, yeah, okay, so there is app for OBS. Okay, I'll try for sure. Always, buddy. Love you, bro. Okay, so here is the thing. I can't understand that whenever I say hey or whenever I say move forward, there is a behavior. Okay. So behavior is just like name to the function. Okay, got it. And then whenever I say hey, it sends A101 to through UART. Means UART is a communication protocol, if you know, like normal TX RX pins on every microcontroller. So through that TX pin, it sends A101, which is hex code. Whenever it receives A101 here, where is that A101? Whenever it receives A101, it does its thing. Hey Sui, hello, how are you? Okay, so there is a big mistake in this code. I just found out. The mistake is I have used string here as a like a command word. As you can see, these are some commands like in word in string format, but here we are using what we call that hex codes. So whenever I want to move forward, I need to use here A1 and 02, this hex code right here. So it's very complicated thing. I think I better explain it in detail in a video, or I should just try doing this. Okay, this is for command. Okay, this is for Bluetooth commands, then this is for voice commands. Okay, got it. So I need to change this with hex codes A101. And thing about a hex code is we can't just use hex codes. We have to, there is a format for hex codes. And by the way, I'm learning all these around, I have been learning this from 2 weeks ago. I started learning this. Where is that ESP32 communication? If you see ESP32 communication or something like that here, please make sure you tell me in the chat. It's very hard. Okay, this is for ESP32 cam. I just finished that project recently. ESP32 cam live chat. Bro, where is that code? V Vayun. Okay, got it. VC02 ESP32 communication. This is the name of that code. And this is the format. Okay, so I have to change this, not really whole code, but I have to add some things here. Brother, what is your branch? I'm in electronics and telecommunication engineering. Just entered in third year of ENTC. Okay, so I have done so many mistakes in this code. In this one, I need to fix this code. Void loop. Okay. I need to copy this and I need to paste it at here. I need to paste it right here. If serial 2 available. What is serial 2 here? VCUART. Okay, instead we see serial 2, I'll just use VC serial. Okay, if serial 2 available, instead of serial 2 we are using pro. I forgot to copy that, I guess. Control C. Then if vc serial dot available, vc serial dot read, vc serial dot read. Okay, I think there are so many mistakes in this code. MP3 serial 2. Okay, I think we are doing right. I feel like that. Then okay, serial dot print. Okay, okay, got it. This is in the loop. Then we have another function here. This is for Bluetooth control. We are using all these commands for Bluetooth, and string handle vc command to serial dot println, voice handle vc command vc2, serial dot print string source string cmd, not really cmd. How to read hex values? Okay, so we will use hex here, and it's not string. Okay, there are so many mistakes, I know. I'll figure out somehow. Any idea about gaming PC building? I can't say anything about gaming PCs, but I know little bit. I know enough about PCs. Not really enough, but I know little bit. Go with the latest processor. Go with the latest GPU. It's all on your budget. Don't spend that much on your cabinet and aesthetics. Better focus on getting more specs, like crazy specs, instead of buying mouse with RGB, mouse pad with RGB. Bro, it's okay for mouse and keyboard with RGB, but who the fuck uses mouse pad with RGB? I don't get it. And that Asus ROG, that laptop has ROG, RGB around whole laptop. Actually, I was going to buy that, but someone said instead that buy Asus stuff. So I went with Asus stuff, which is going well. It's been more than 2 years. Okay, I'm trying to compile this code. And if you are college student, and if you are going to live in, like, if you are college student, I will suggest buy gaming laptop instead, and don't spend much on gaming laptop. Maximum 70k. Soham Gupte, hello. It's never declared in new code. Received value. I think you are right. Yeah, this is the received value. Thank you. There are so many errors here. Hello, Soham. So many errors here. Bro, I was not aware about hex codes before that, because I tried this code first, then I went with this one. Instead of all this, like, can we just use A102 as a string? Is it possible? Like, instead of reading hex codes, hex values, as our VC02 module is just directly printing it on our serial monitor, like directly giving us A102. So, can we just use it as a string? Like, instead of doing all this, we'll just put A102 here, like, just like this. Is it possible? Let's control Z first of all. Okay. What went wrong here? Can we use only can we use that hex code as a string? Okay, or ESP will receive this thing. Without hex, not good for memory size. Better use hex code. Okay, okay, I'll go with hex code. I need to change a lot of things here. I don't even know some of them functions. Okay, if you are new to this channel, I forget to tell this every time. Make sure you hit like and subscribe because I need subscribers and likes. Because I don't think any company will give me job. So this can be my rosy roti if nothing works. By the way, I'm thinking of ordering some PCBs from JLC PCB. Should I go with JLC PCB or PCB way? First, but before that, I'm thinking of contacting with some local PCB manufacturer. I got some contacts, so I'll try. I'll ask them first. Okay, so first of all, we need to use all these things serial to available. What if we just change this? Wait. UART 2 for DUP. Instead, this I'll change it, and this will be 2. Sparky Take, hello. How are you, bro? After long time. Serial 2. Let's start from the start. I'll define it somewhere here. Then VC serial. Instead of VC serial, why don't we just, I'll just remove this. Wait. First of all, I'll copy this code and I will save it somewhere because I don't want to lose this whole code. I have some copies already, but still, where should I store it? Wait. KIT project. I just sent it to my homie. I also need to know that answer I ordered from Robo. I don't have confidence on our custom officer, so not ordering from JLC or PCB. Actually, I know a guy. He's been working on PCBs, but he orders from a local manufacturer, and they are pretty good, like a normal PCB we build at home with all that itching powder and all that stuff. But he says they are going well. They are doing pretty well, all these PCBs. So first I'm trying that. Then I will go with JLC PCB. And also, what is going on here? We are doing some coding thing for our robot. Also, I'm not sure how many PCBs I have to order minimum because they say there are some limits and all that. Okay, so this is cool. Then void loop. What if I just copy this code and I'll put it in void loop and I'll remove this one. Yeah, I think I did the right thing. I just smashed my camera. Okay. After this, we will go with received value. Okay, got it. Now all I have to do is this if else function received value. Instead of received value, I will do vcmd. I'll change it to vcmd. Where is that received value, bro? vcmd. Okay, that's it. Received vcmd is equal to high wide. Okay, okay. Then I have to replace vcmd. Sorry, received value. Hmm. VCMD Hicks. Hello Ranjit. How are you? Okay, and now all I have to do is just replace these strings with hex codes. That's it. But before that, I need to set up hex codes right here in this website, like A101. It's on me, it's on you, it's on us. So let's get started. First, this is one A101. This A101 is for forward, I guess. This one is for as a wake up command. Actually, that's the part of code. Then move forward. For move forward, I have this A102. So I have to use A102 here in a hex format. So I have to use this. I'll just copy paste it everywhere and I'll replace it. Oh, I forgot to remove these inverted commas. And I'll just keep changing the last number. Like here I have 2, I'll go with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be easier. Oh, I don't need to do this. So I have this hex code. I'll just paste it everywhere, and I'll just replace the last number, last digit. Bro, by the way, if you are new, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Streaming is pretty fun, bro, for me at least. I don't know about others. Because you do some stupid stuff, you do mistakes and all live, and they watch you. Okay. And also, I got what do you call that? Premium of Gemini, premium or whatever that. Uh, I got that subscription for 1 year for free. You guys use that if you guys know about it. Hello, bro, Prajot. How are you? So, if you guys know about that, about premium features of Gemini, make sure you tell me because I don't know. I just got it today. I tried to generate some images, which were pretty good. Who is behind that Snorlax right there? Atharva Patil. As you can see. I hope you guys can see him. This is the one and only Atharva. Where is Atharva? Atharva is right behind me. Some guys wanted to know about torque of Atharva. Ashok, I have another guy right here. Do you know about Atharva's torque? No, he's not in the chat. Samarth is not in the chat. Maybe he's in the chat. I don't know. Okay, so A101. We are starting with A101. A102. I will keep changing the last digit. Bro, something went wrong here. Whoa. ओळखणार की 4000 जोपर्यंत देत नाहीस. Okay, so this guy is asking me. Samarth. Okay, Samarth is in the chat. Samarth is back in the chat. Atharva.
You can join us in our room. Then I will definitely show my torque.
Samarth, Atharva is saying that you can join us in the room and he will show you his torque.
And it's free of cost for you.
And it's free of cost for you. That's what he said. Tanishk Bhaiya, if you are in the chat, can you please tell me if I'm doing anything wrong here? I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. A101. XO. Hugs and kisses. Hmm? Actually, my channel is not monetized, so they can't super chat me. They can't pay. They can't donate it. You have to meet the criteria. Then YouTube allows you to get paid. 115. You have to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in last 365 days. Means if you start counting from 5 August 5th of August 2025 till 5th of August 2024, the total watch time should be more than 4000 hours and subscribers count should be 1000 minimum, more than 1000. I have completed the subscribers criteria, but I am not consistent enough to complete the watch time. So I hope we will complete this year. I'm rich, bro. I don't even need that YouTube money. You know what I'm saying? I have enough money. So I'm just doing it for fun. You guys know about it, bro. I desperately need money right now. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we are getting there. It's been around more than 15 days since I streamed last time. 21, 22. Okay, please tell me if I'm doing something wrong. In comparison between string and hex number, I think actually I have used here CMD and here VCMD and I named that VCMD. As you can see, VCMD is equal to high byte low byte. I don't know what is this, but in my recent code, in this code, you can check this code. Received value, if received value is equal to this code, this hex code, it goes high and it works. This code is working properly, so I'm using the same logic here where I'm using what's the declaration type of VCMD. Let me check. Got it, sir. I got it. I need to change this. Where is that? This received value to VCMD. Thank you so much for telling me this. I hope I'm doing it right now. Okay, I need to change this string. Sorry. This is handle command vc02. I don't need this function. I need to remove this whole function, I think. Or do I just remove this whole function? And I will put this whole thing in void loop, just like this. Check it out what I'm doing. If okay, all this is in loop. Don't remove the function, it was correct. Okay, so what I was trying to do is there was declaration in that function. Okay, so this was the function we were talking about. This is in string format. Do you know how to convert this string, or should I just remove this one line only? Because I feel like, what are you doing here? Just replace string. Okay, so that's how you read hex code, right? I wasn't aware about that. What are you doing? We are doing some coding thing for a robot, but we already defined it right here, that received value is equal to 0. I don't think we need received value here. We have to replace it with VC VCMD or something like that. Okay, so I need to replace this with, and also this string also, right? Show the robot. We don't have a robot. We are coding first, then we will build the hardware stuff. In next stream, make sure you hit like and subscribe for to see how it goes. Source. Okay, source plus command plus CMD. Wait, I think I removed fuck bro. Just for VCMD, not source. Okay. I think I messed up here. Where? Okay, wait. I need to copy paste that here in VCMD. Okay, is this all right? Without having hardware possible, bro. I have this hardware right here, which is ESP32 and VC02 AI Thinker module. So this is a basic project. Can't even say basic, but yeah, basic project. Perfect. Let's try to compile this. Thank you. You can do coding, bro. Like it's not that complicated project. It's just simple, whole lot of epls and voice commands. That's it. And it's on you what components you want to add. Like as you can see, I'm using this display, servo motor. Something is wrong here. VCMD was not declared in the scope. VCMD was not declared in the scope. Wait. Yeah, here we have to replace it with VCMD. I think it will work. Now I have all the hardware. I need to assemble it all together. I need to solder and all that stuff. Then it will get ready. Also need to yeah, change baud rate. I'll do 9600 everywhere. VCMD was not declared in this scope. Okay, but it was declared, bro. Received value VCMD. VCMD is equal to 0. Where is that VCMD is equal to 0? This right here. Match case. What do you mean by that? I don't know. CMD. Okay, this is CMD. And this is VCMD. Okay, I just got confused between this. I don't VCMD. Okay, lowercase v. This is lowercase. This is also lowercase. Okay, so you are talking about this one. You are absolutely right. My bad. VCMD. Okay, got it. In declaration. Thank you. Let's try again. Again, two lowercase. What does it mean? VCMD, which is of a no class type, and it should not happen, I guess. There is no such thing here. Can we remove this line? Is it necessary? I don't think so. What does it mean? Remove that line. It's for strings. Okay. What does that mean though? By the way, Tanishk bhaiya, I have checked your LinkedIn. You are doing really great. I learn a lot of things from you. Museum is declared as, but you are using. Yes, you are right. Actually, I have to modify that code. I had to modify that code, so I did a lot of changes. Okay, compiling is done. Hmm. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are also doing great. Thank you so much. I'm learning. Actually, I spent my recent 3 4 years doing nothing. Like all that JE preparation, JE CET preparation, then uh, like a lonely first year. Not really lonely, but I don't even remember what I did in my first year. So I feel like I wasted 2 3 years doing nothing. Then now I'm getting back. Now I'm learning. I'm learning PCB designing. I'm getting started with Fusion. Also, little bit of coding, little bit of this and that. Sometimes I feel really old, bro. Like I'm about to cross 21. I'm about to turn 21, and I think I don't look 21. People say that. But yeah, sometimes it feels like I'm very old to start coding and all. Anyways, I don't want to enter in IT sector or something like that. I don't know what I'm going to do, but not IT. That's for sure. I'll repair your TV, mixer, refrigerator, uh, your ceiling fan. I'll change capacitor of your ceiling fan. Uh, I'll fix your meter. I recently done a course in PLC programming, so I do little bit of that. I might change your MCB in your house if something goes wrong. If you need help, you can call me. What else I can do? What else I can do? Yeah, that's what I can do. Yeah, I can fix your radio if you use. I might build some small torch or something like. I bro, don't people don't even use torch. That was my business idea some years ago. That I will sell torch. Okay, so we just saved this code. I hope it works. Can we try one? Mm, let's try uploading this code in the CSP. Fusion 360 like hacker. Okay, so our module is speaking. Once I graduate, I'm thinking of telling my dad that help me to buy a store, set up my business and all. Help me out. This is the last one, last time. Maybe you were worse. You don't need to do other. Yeah. Actually, I'm not relied on YouTube or something like that, but I love to do this, and if it works, that's like what we call that chandi chandi hogi, something like that. Actually, it gives you freedom to do whatever you love. That's what I feel about YouTube. I wish I was consistent enough. Hello, Mega Mind Creation. But sometimes I think like I have a store in my hometown, just a minute away from my house, and I'm repairing random stuff. I'm riding my Activa in my hometown, and life is chill. It feels good to think, but there might be some pros and cons to that also. First of all, I need to break stuff, like I need to destroy others' TVs and all, and then they will come to me. Bro, can you please repair this? And I will charge them a lot of money. Bro, electronics business is crazy. Right now, I'm in last 1 or 2 years. I'm observing all these store owners. it's really good if you do it properly. Hey,
What's that?
okay, I think this is working. Hey,
What can I do for you?
move forward. Hey,
What can I do for you?
move forward. Move forward. Okay, I forgot to print our values. We have to put this in void loop somewhere.
Call me
Received
if you
Vex.
need help.
Then what's wrong here? Okay, got it. We have changed pin numbers. Create random stuff but highly specific and sell online. Yeah, that what I was talking in my some of my recent streams, that we have a lot of engineers, we have a lot of creators, like creative people, not really creators, but we are not doing that. Like if you see Alan Pan, Mark Rober is okay, he's a scientist, he's a very big guy. Peter Sripol, then there are a lot of people, Colin Furs, Hacksmith. These are also big names, but there are very small creators. They are building some random stuff in their bedroom and they are selling it online and they are making money. कर रहा क्या करना पड़ेगा? We forgot to call the function. Which one? This? What I need to do here? Void command. Okay. Serial 2. I think it's because of uh, hardware serial, VC serial. Serial 2. Working full-time jobs. Yeah, they were working full-time jobs, just like I'm going to college every day. But that's what I'm saying to our all engineers in India. I have seen, bro. I have seen in my family and all over around my hometown that we have a lot of engineers. They are good, but they were doing nothing for 1 or 2 year at least, or 2 3 years. Then they started preparing for government jobs and all. So I think गूगल करो, ये चैट जीपीटी में डालो. Bro, GSM module, if you are using GSM module, try it outside because you can't test it inside. Yeah, इंडोर इंडोर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते भाई GSM मॉड्यूल को. ये अपना 250 वाला जो GSM मॉड्यूल है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नियो 6 GSM. If you are you talking about GSM or GPS? Okay, GSM. Okay, if you are using a normal GSM module, for you, if you buy it for 200 rupees, that red one, you need 2G or 3G SIM card, I guess. I tried it around 1 or 2 year ago. Someone said that it requires 2G or 3G SIM. You can't use 4G SIM. You can't use Geo SIM card. Okay, so help me out with this one. Uh, सब कर लिया भाई. Experienced person के instructions. Bro, that's why while prototyping, I should VC serial be serial to check from left side code correct on the right side. VC serial. Wait, where is VC serial? Okay, we will check from the start. Here we have VC serial 2. Okay, UART 1 for VC2. I replaced this some minutes ago. Okay, then serial dot begin. You shouldn't have both. Wait, VC serial be serial 2. So you are also saying me that replace this VC serial with serial 2, right? Just like this. What if I just copy and paste this thing here? I don't think I need hardware serial. Then what are you up today? We are doing little bit of programming. Tanishk bhaiya, is it okay? I'm just copy pasting. Then I have this in setup. What if I remove this thing? Here we have, okay. Then stream bot. Serial dot begin outside setup, not good idea. Okay, so I removed that one, and right now we, as you can see, void setup serial dot begin 9600, serial dot to begin 1617 pin number. That's it, serial dot to. Then here we have just like this. If serial to available, then VCMD. We have declared VCMD above. Interested into drones, can I just buy a drone and focus on control? Code, left side code is good. Yeah, I'm just doing it just like this one. Okay, then I think we are good to go. Okay, so you are a computer science guy interested to get into drones. Can I just buy drones and focus on control aspects only? Okay, I'm not a drone specialist or a drone guy, but what I know, what I heard in my college about drones, we have a drone club here called the Garuda Club. So, uh, there is a lot in drones, not just okay. We see serial to begin. I need to remove this. There is a whole process about for learning drones. Inside serial 2 dot available block, after printing, call the handler function. Okay, where is serial 2 dot begin? I'll just keep it as it is here. What do you think about this? Bro, it's very confusing. This is in the loop. Serial. Okay, compile this code. Is it okay? I just compiled this code. Check this. We defined included all libraries and all. This is for display. This is for display. This is for Bluetooth communication. This is for DA player. Then this is DA player again. Then we declared this VCMD thing. And then here we have serial dot begin in void setup. Okay, void setup. Then we don't have anything here in void loop. Okay, this is for Bluetooth communication. Best PCB designing software. Currently, I am going with EasyDA. You can try KiCad, Altium. Everything is cool, bro. Flux is a new one. They are trying to promote Flux. Flux. I tried Flux. Flux is really cool. Still not called after receiving the hex command. Uh, where should I modify or where should I do all these things? If handler function, void handle command vc2. You are talking about this. Where should I put this thing? What should I change in this code? Reserve card Kaku. Bro, don't bring that here on stream. I wasn't reaching anyone. I'm not into older woman. I was just they tried to stop me and I showed them what I have in my hand and it was a robot. After serial dot print, just like we do after receiving Bluetooth command. What if I just remove this? Just like this. ये आवाज कमी करके. Okay, got it. Okay, it was a silly mistake. I think, is everything all right now? Can you please check? KiCad free है क्या? Yes, KiCad is free. EasyAid is free. There is Crack available of Proteus. Flux is free, I guess. At some extent, it's free. Then I think you have to pay. Handle command VC02. Then here we have VC02. Just like this. Voice handle command. And here we have command cmd.bt. So here I have to put vcmd remove void. Where is void here? Yeah, sorry, vcmd, and then I have to print something. I'll print, what should I print? Hex. I'll print hex. I think this is correct. Check again. We will compile this. KiCad free. Hey, if you are new, try EasyDay. If you want to do some industrial stuff, try KiCad. KiCad is also best. I have both of them. I have KiCad. I'll show you. I have EasyDay. I have KiCad. I have Proteus also. I don't use Proteus nowadays. But I use EasyDay and KiCad. VCMD VC. Okay, I used here VCMD and I used hex. Okay, I'll go with VC, just like you said. Okay, I'll upload this code. Keep in mind, guys, whenever you are uploading code, make sure you disconnect all RxTX. Not all. I don't think you need to disconnect in this case because we have multiple UART communication pins. I need to stream very often because I need to get more consistent. I learn a lot. Okay, connecting. Bro, college is very hectic because I don't get time to learn anything else. Any string will work, yeah. Hex is also fine. Yeah, that's why I added Hex. But if you are saying VC02, platform IO, I never tried platform IO. I'll try for sure. I heard about it, but I'll try for sure. Guys, I have an internship opportunity. I'm not sure if I have the opportunity or not, but I think I'll get that internship. It's in IoT. Should I try that? Because right now my skills are basics of PLC, basics of this code. I'm a vibe coder, as you guys know. Right now you are my AI, but off the stream I use AI. And other than that, I know microcontrollers, all these STM32, ESP32, ESP8266, all these ESP, STM32, and all these Arduino boards. And I know a little bit of PCB designing. So there is a company or industry around my city. They do all this IoT stuff. So I feel like I should do internship there. Hey, let's try this. Hey,
What's that?
uh, hey.
What's that?
Okay, I think I forgot to print values here. Void loop. Received VCMD hex. We are printing serial print. Let me check pin connections first. TXRX. TX2. Hey, let's try resetting this. Okay, there was problem with pin connections. I changed it. Bro, what the fuck? I accidentally pressed enable. Bro, I2C transaction failed. Let's try removing these two pins. What's wrong with this thing? Bluetooth started as streambot. Okay, it's working. Uh, TX to RX and RX to TX. TX is yellow. Okay. Hey, it should work now. As you can see, we have received some stuff here. Bro, why do I press enable? Can you please tell me what's going on here? I accidentally pressed enable button. Hmm, voice commands, DF player failed. Okay, we are not using DF player now. Okay, this yellow is TX, so I have to connect this to RX. And this is to TX. Let's try it again. Hey, okay, this code is working. I don't know. Move forward. It should print something here. Serial check if 2 bytes are available. Okay. Serial print. Yes, we are printing it. Yo, can you please tell me how to get this thing work? Serial print. Serial print setup complete. It should work now. Hey, let's try Chat GPT. Uh, Chatbot or something like that. Okay, I don't remember about that chat. I'll just tell him that I'm working on a interactive. I'm a prompt engineer. Okay, let's see. What I see, your code is already rock solid. The VC02 sends 2 byte hex commands. You are decoding them into VCMD using this. Okay, then you pass. Okay, uh, tiny checklist, pin setup, default VC. Add a debug dump, Bluetooth, and yeah, this is possible. Expandable command handling. Yes, I could use switch case. Let's try again. Hey,
What?
I'm using this RX2 and TX2, which is 16 pin number 16 and 17.
Call me if you need help.
Let's check pin out of ESP32. Bro, where's that pin out? Pin diagram. Okay. 16 17 is 2 and this is 0. Okay. Last time what I did is I pressed reset on both boards and it worked. But it's taking very long. Bro, I forgot which button we press for reset. Hey, what the fuck, bro? And what if I upload this code? Okay, let's try this code. First of all, I need to remove these two wires. Let's reconnect it to TX and RX. Hey,
What can
okay, it's working now. Move forward. Okay, this code show to serial logs errors on starting. Maybe, yeah, it's because of serial. Uh, we have started serial 2 dot begin mp3 dot begin. This is for mp3 serial 2. Errors on starting. That's what ChatGPT said. Hmm. Okay, tiny checklist power tips to make sure it works smoothly. Pin connections are okay. G and D shared, bro. Then A102. Yeah. Serial 2 dot begin. Do we have serial 2 dot begin anywhere here in this code? Serial 2 dot begin. Yes, we have serial 2 dot begin here. Add a debug dump, optional but helpful. Move DF player to serial 1. Use GPIO 4 and 2. Let's try this. Where is DF player? Hardware serial 1. MP3 serial dot begin. Okay, I'll add these two lines. Okay. You are receiving hex codes from EC serial to and decoding the actual unsigned. Then you are using them to control your onboard LED. Super clean. Why it works? Can we use VS Code in place of Arduino, which will compiling? I think you can't use VS Code for Arduino. Okay, I'm not sure. You better search, but I think you can't. Fix that code then. Bro, I was not talking about this one. Bros, IO plugin. I have used VS Code for serial communication. Okay, VC2 stays on. Okay, DF player moved to serial 1. And okay, let's try this command, this code. Command handlers, CMD. Hello, sir, how are you? Hello. What about expanding the community? Actually, I was a little bit busy, so I wasn't active anywhere on Instagram and not also on YouTube. But yes, we have a group on Instagram. There are some people, they discuss every day about their projects and all. Some people are building robot dogs and all. So yeah, we have the community already. Okay, so we can use VS Code for Arduino. Wiring guide GPIO 17. No change. Okay, let's try this code. Compiling is very slow, by the way, here in Arduino IDE. Can't deny that. Bro, it's taking very long for compilation. The fuck? Not used. What's wrong with this? Clear the display buffer. Delay. There are so many errors here, guys. I'll just paste them. There may be some file conflicts here. Library integrity, what's going on? You are getting this error display not declared in the scope. Bro, it's your fault. Cause in my this code everything is fine already. What else can go wrong here? Serial communication is okay. Let's check serial communication in this code. Okay, Bluetooth serial my MP3 serial 1. Then we have serial 2 dot available. But where did we initialize serial dot 2? Serial 2. There are no changes, I feel, in this code. I don't see any change here. Let's try again. Hey. Okay, I forgot to power. Hey.
What?
Okay, this thing is working already. Bro. What the fuck? P3 dot serial begin. What's wrong here? Can you please tell me? Somebody tell me. MP3 serial.
Call me if you need.
Bro, what's wrong here? Can you please tell me? I don't know the format or syntax. Where is chat GPT? Fix this. Bro, I don't need this. I just want you to fix this code. Okay, okay. So I have to put this before void setup and this in setup. Dot be only in setup. Yeah, I forgot about that. That you begin serial communication only in setup. I should have just uploaded it instead of compiling only. Serial BT, then serial 2. Serial 2 for VC02 module. Is it because we are using so many UART based components or functions? Like we are using DF player, we are using Bluetooth serial. Also, we are using hardware serial for that DF VC02 module. So I feel like that. I guess now we are doing MP3 serial begin twice. Maybe you are right. Let's see. DF player MP3. Then the LED is already on. DF player MP3 dots. Yes, you are right. Wait. Yes, you are absolutely okay. This was the problem. MP3 serial dot begin. This was the main issue. I finally got it. As you can see, we are using 16 and 17 pin for MP3 player, and same pins we are using here for communication. No problem using many UART comms until pins. Yeah, and that was the main problem. Conflict with pins. We are using 16 and 17 here for VC02 module, and we are using same 16 and 17 pins here for MP3. So this was the problem. Got it. And it wasn't that big issue, I feel. MP3 serial dot begin 4.2. I think we are good to go because we are using pin number 4 and 2 for MP3, and then we are using 16 and 17 for VC02. So I think it's okay now. Pin conflicts. That was the main issue. Okay, I have this a little battery. I don't know why I ordered this. Can we what can we do with this? Okay, so I built a normal watch using NTP. Uh, is that NTP or NTC? I forgot about that. NTC, I guess. And I used a similar battery there, and it was about to explode. I did not even charged it. Okay, let's try this again. Hashtag define your TX at the top, so we can see at a glance. You are right. Actually, this was coded by ChatGPT. Half of this code was ChatGPT. Then I made some changes. Okay, what's wrong? No, nothing is wrong here. TX. This is TX, and this is RX. Hey, hey.
What can I do for you?
I'll reset both of these. Hey,
What can I do for you?
move forward. What the fuck? We are getting some values. Bro,
Call me if
how to reset a ESP32? Like we press EN, right? Or I'm doing something wrong. Hey,
what can I do for you?
okay, we are getting hex values properly. Move forward. Turn right. Turn left. What else we
What
have?
can I do for
Move forward. Turn right. Turn left. Okay. Bro, I want to make any kind of software. How can I start? You are asking a wrong guy. If you are
you? What's
watching
up?
me from last half hour, and you'd know that I'm not that good at coding and all. But I do a lot of stuff. Hey,
What's up?
I have some CSE homies. They are really good at programming and all. Like they are really developers. That's like that's a very good thing that I have a lot of creative people around me. There are very few creative people in my college, and
Call me
they are
if
all
you
my
need help.
friends. So if you want to start software, I don't know what languages they use. They use some Java, Python, Java, and all that. I don't know, bro. Sorry. Hey.
What's up?
Okay, so we are getting correct hex code, I guess. Turn right. Let's check the hex codes. All these hex codes. If we say hey 10 uh,
What can I do
A101
for you?
A102. Hey,
Go up.
wait. Move forward. A102. Move backward. A103. Turn right. A104. Turn left. A105. Okay, got it. Now all I have to do is, bro, I am working on a big project making a robot which will help student to know how to conserve water. I'm studying in 8th standard. That's cool that you're in 8th
Call me
standard
if you
and
need help.
working on a robot. Nice, correct UART values in serial monitor. Yes, Congratulations to you, Tanishk bhai, and thank you so much. Chiku reacts. Yeah, I am reading your chat. uh how your robot gonna help students to know how to conserve water? It's cool that you are in 8th standard and you are trying to build a robot by yourself, and not only robot, a robot which helps out people. Can you please explain your idea? I promise I'm not gonna patent it. My name is Shriyansh. Hello Shriyansh. I think he is Tirtesh or his friend. I don't know, bro. Tirtesh is really cool. Like he has 3D printer and all. He has crazy drones and all. He's in 8th standard. Bro, I was struggling to buy Arduino with flow sensor. Okay, so you are using a flow sensor, and then you will monitor how much water you wasted. Something like that. The amount of water you waste daily in school. Then it will display or something like that. I don't know. It's gonna be a robot or a device. Uh, it contains three Arduinos. First for the walking of it. Then I'm taking line follower robot, so which will attract people with the help of IR sensors and one ultrasonic sensor. You don't need to do all these. Like you don't need to use three Arduino boards. You can use only one. Just like I'm doing here, I am using multiple components with same microcontroller. Okay, then how this robot is going to help to teach student how to conserve water? Walking. What do you mean by walking? Line follower. So you are making a line follower robot with ultrasonic sensor, line follower plus obstacle avoiding. Then can you please explain more? Then what? Okay, so you are making a line follower with obstacle avoiding. Then how it is going to help? Like where are you going to connect flow sensor? It will be more and more according to 20-second wastage. Buzzer will go up. Tens 3. Okay, I got it. You are using 3 Arduinos. I feel you don't need to use 3 microcontrollers. You can build this whole thing with 1 or max 2. First for walking, second for saying commands, and third for monitoring that how much water is wasted. Okay, but how you are going to measure the amount of water you wasted? Like as you said, you are going to use flow sensor. So you need a pipe or something like that. Water will pass through that flow sensor. It's possible with just one Arduino. Yeah, you don't need to use 3 Arduinos. Just get more into Arduino, learn some things like how to manage multiple components, and that's it. If you have a Bluetooth module, as small children are attracted towards technology and robots, so okay, so you are building an interactive robot just like me. You want that robot to talk and tell how to conserve water, and you want that robot to tell how much water we wasted in real time. Idea is cool. I'll suggest you use a DA player as a like speaker, DA player, to make that robot talk. You are going to use line follower robot. Instead of line follower, you can just use ultrasonic sensor and a PIR motion sensor. Whenever it detects a motion, it will start talking that, bro, you have wasted a lot of water, you better stop, chill, something like that. You can use AI generated voice, or yeah, you can use AI generated audio files, store all these files in memory card, connect that DA player to your Arduino. You can use Bluetooth module Yes, you can use Bluetooth module to command, so you can control it through your voice. It will be connected to the tap what is flowing. No, I don't think Arduino can't store voice commands. So you better go with DF Player Mini. I'll show you what it looks like. Store many. I highly doubt. No, Arduino can't store voice commands. Not WAV, not MP3. Either go with such SD card modules, SD card adapters, or I have this, or you better go with this one. This is a DF player MP3. So I feel like use a one Arduino board, use Bluetooth module, use this DF player. Okay, all this together it becomes a interactive robot. You can give voice commands to that robot will also talk. Then you are going to use flow sensor. You can use flow sensor with that same Arduino. Then use L298 motor driver, make it walk. Then add a PIR motion sensor, it will detect motion. And keep that range little bit low, so whenever someone comes closer to your robot, it will start talking. And what else you can do is, yeah, add a obstacle avoiding robot, so it will not collide anywhere. That's what I feel. If you are in 8 standard, that's enough. Depends if it's competition or something like that. But again, bro, you are saying you are going to use flow sensor. Add a touch sensor. Bro, how you gonna use flow sensor? You need a continue pipeline, like a pipe going through your robot. Something like that. Or you need something wireless, like there is a water tank and you're taking all the readings from your flow sensor. There is a ESP. Here you have robot which is connected to that ESP through mesh, or say ESP now, which is like a little bit complicated thing. Not really complicated, but if you know enough, then you can try. And that ESP will give you real time readings about your water wastage, and your robot will just tell that. Like you can add multiple files, audio files. So yes, but I think you should not use 3 Arduino boards. You better use one. Yeah, one is more than enough. You just need little bit the tap, and as soon as the tap it detects 20 seconds. Okay, I got it. But you are saying you are going to build a robot which will walk, which will move around your school or classroom or anywhere. uh, then how you going to connect that flow sensor to your, you are going to connect that flow sensor to tap. Okay, got it. Then you need long wires. Either you need long wires or wireless communication. How are you going to read all that, like readings from your flow sensor, and how you going to transfer that all these readings to your robot? As you are saying your robot is moving, walking, moving around your class. So that's the problem, bro. Think about it. I am a robot. This is tank of water, and this is water tap. We have connected a sensor here, flow sensor to tap. We are turning it on, off, or whatever. I'm moving around this whole my flat, whole classroom. So there should be a pipe. No, you can't do that. There should be long wires, one piece, and the okay, got it. So you are using 2 Arduinos for that. Yeah, you can do that, but you can't say it as a robot. But these are two separate products, bro. Like one is the robot and other is that name something. give a name to that thing like flow sensor. Okay, you are using one for flow sensor and you are using one for your mm, robot. So I have one Bluetooth module. Can I connect them? If you have, how can I connect them? You have one Bluetooth module, right? Use that Bluetooth module. Instead, using flow sensor and all, you can use, if you want to build a robot, what if you just create a device which detects water wastage in a day, and it starts speaking like, bro, you have wasted in a water, please stop, something like that. And imagine this is a water tank, and I have placed that device there, and kids are coming there wasting water, and then the speaker starts saying that, yo, get the fuck out here, or something like that, you have wasted enough water. So yeah, don't waste water or something like that. You can build a device instead of building a robot. I know you are saying that kids are attracted to robot. Then you need two pieces. One is robot and one is your device which detects water wastage. You need a wireless communication between them. And now your robot is moving around whole class and telling everyone that there is some guy, he is wasting water. So yeah, that would be cool. But for that you need two Bluetooth modules. You need to establish communication master and slave between Bluetooth modules, or you need to ESP32 or ESP8266. And there's another option, you can go with your NRF24 module. All these options are very complicated, so I'll better suggest you build it in two piece. But अकोलाचा आहे. ओके, तो अकोल्याचा आहेस, मी कोल्हापूरचा आहे. Okay, so bro, what are you trying to make? It's like you are using a and DF player also. Yes, similar to this, but he wants to build something for like to monitor water wastage and create awareness about it. That's he wants to do. But again, the problem is you need communication. Either make it a one piece or build this product or project in two pieces and connect them wirelessly. That will be great. But if you are in 8th standard, if you don't know enough programming and all, you better create a device which speaks, which talks whenever someone wastes water. Because there is no point in telling whole class, like, I know I got what you are trying to say, but you better create a device, attach it to the place it on that wall or water tank. There is a tap right behind, right below that, and kids are wasting water, and then the speaker start talking. You can just name that device something, a robot or something like that. What if we just add uh, something to give a electric shock, just like in 3 idiots? If you waste water, if you waste more than 1 liter, you get shocked, you get tased. Using same thing like that. The WhatsApp number, message me on Instagram, bro. My Instagram link is in the description. You can message me anytime, I'm always on. Anyways guys, it's been more than 2 hours. I think that's enough for today. I'll finish this whole project in 1 or 2 days and I will be back with that project. And also I was building that companion bot, a small companion bot, which is just OLED display and ESP. But it's pretty fun because in foreign countries they are buying that, so I'm trying to sell. And I have some other stuff going on with this guy. We are building a prosthetic hand. He is designing. Do you have that design right now? Do you have that design of that prosthetic arm?
Yeah.
So we are building a prosthetic arm 3D printed. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. But our professor said start working on that project. They liked it. Hello, Pratham. Bro. I was just kidding. No. Just turn your laptop. Bro, Chiku reacts. I'm not saying that you should give a electric shock to your classmates. I'm just saying I'm just telling that you can build something like that. Here we have some 3D printed prosthetic arms. I had a prosthetic arm already printed and manufactured, but it wasn't proper, so we stopped that project and now we are getting back. Guys, I need a final year project idea for mechanical. I'll tell you the niche. This right here in this laptop we have that prosthetic arms designs and all. Mm. Also, I have made a custom hoodie for myself. Okay, let me show you my hoodie. Okay, I was talking about project for mechanical branch. I need project idea for RAC, refrigeration and air conditioning for final year mechanical. If you have any idea, you can please tell me. By the way, Chiku reacts. As I said, you don't need to use three blender. You don't need to use three Arduino Uno. Just use one or maximum two, and go with the cheaper one. And once you learn Arduino, go with ESP modules. ESP32, ESP microcontrollers. 32 cam 8266. Okay, so this is my hoodie. I have designed it. Not really designed. I just got it somewhere printed. I'll show that in another stream. Okay, that is it for today, bro. What are you studying now? I'm in electronics and telecommunication third year, BTech. बीटेक कर रहा हूँ भाई, इंजीनियरिंग करना ज़रूरी है. And he is in mechanical in last year. Oh, what about you? Reality Electronics. Let's go to your channel. Okay. You used Flux Garage, right? For this eyes animation, robotic eyes animation. BSc IT. Okay. I think you used Flux. Is it Flux? Flux Garage library. Looks really cool and clean. By the way, 3D prints are always cool. Arduino Bluetooth control robot. Bro, you used exhaust fan or what? I'm liking this video. Damn, you have a lot of videos here. 3 in 1. I used to do all this, bro. I don't want to watch ads. Welcome to my channel. Okay. All such videos, bro. That speaker. Torch. Emergency light. Okay, so you're talking about that. Torch, emergency light. I built similar one. I'll show you. Bro, such videos ruled my feed, YouTube feed in back in 2017, 2018. Everyone was building emergency lights. Uh, I think this is the one. Free energy videos. क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई कर रहा है भाई वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है. Okay, so this is me 6 years ago in 2019. I got it somewhere in scrap and I made this wheel out of cardboard. And it was free energy. And then I have these two solar panels from old torch. Then I connected them directly without anything directly to our OTG cable. Cam 90. Bro, oh, sorry, I forgot about that. Sorry. Why don't you guys tell me early? Okay, so I was talking about this. First, I was talking about this one. This is uh, free energy light or something like that. Emergency light. Bro, Alan Walker goes hard, bro. Spectre goes hard, all time favorite. वो डर गया पीछे. I went to Alan Walker's concert and it's really vibe, bro. If you are listening Alan Walker since like 2017 18 and when you attend his concert in 2024 after listening all his songs in for like 6 7 years or more than that, it's really cool feeling that when you see your like favorite artist or someone. Nice dance. Powered by lithium ion battery. I don't know if this is pre energy. No, this is not pre energy. This is emergency light, but this one is pre energy. Yeah, I used geared motor, BO motor, and nothing. Cardboard. That's it. 3.7 volt. I wasn't aware about all this lithium and all. I might get copyright for that Spectre. Capacitor. No capacitor, nothing. Just straight up this a light and motor. That's it. Wait, there is more. दादा तुझे क्वालिफिकेशन का है क्वालिफिकेशन देर इज नथिंग नो क्वालिफिकेशन आई एम इन थर्ड ईयर of BTech Electronics and Telecommunication. If I somehow graduate, then I'll tell you. Nowadays, I feel like I can't even graduate. Okay, no resistor, no diode, no capacitor, no any converter or something like that. As free as energy. Then why everyone is fighting for energy? And yeah, as you can see, I have connected this Samsung S2OS 2 smartphone, which was my sister's smartphone, straight up to this OTG, and through this OTG to this uh, solar panel, and it was charging. What else you need? Because it works. चढत होती ती बघत आहे माझ्यासोबत. मी बीटेक करत आहे काकी. काकू मी बीटेक करतोय. थर्ड इयरमध्ये आहे मी आत्ता. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड टेलिकम्युनिकेशन. जर चिकूला रोबोटिक्समध्ये जर इंटरेस्ट असेल तर त्याला जरा गाईड करा. माझ्यापेक्षा बेटर लोक आहेत काही, मी पण सांगू शकतो काही गोष्टी. त्याला आत्तापासून जर गाईड केलं, जर त्याला खरोखर इंटरेस्ट असेल तर होऊ शकते लय भारी काहीतरी विषय. I had very little guidance, that's it. Okay, let's see your other videos. I feel Chiku is very curious guy. Unboxing Arduino kit. Can you share the price of this kit? Okay, item Arduino Uno, Arduino cable, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, power supply, joystick module, fan braid, buzzer. Okay, sir. Oh, thank you so much, bro. Registers, green LEDs, L29, 3D, tactical switch, 6 pieces. Share price of this or just share me link. Then you have how to make a relay module. Okay, this is something I want to see. I need to design something with like a PCB with relays in it, diode, then transistor, LED, red LED, header. Okay, in total, if you want to buy a relay module on RoboCraze, it costs you around 35 to 36 rupees. And if we calculate all these, let's see, relay 5 volt. Relay cost 15 rupees. Okay, adding it up 15. Then BC547, all these things. This is for 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and around all these things for 10. So it will collectively cost around 25 rupees max. Why मी आता झोपतो. Okay, good night. Yeah, it's nearly cost the same. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. This cost for 15. Then all these components like resistor and all. And this screw terminal. Okay, forget about, no, we need screw terminal. Okay, forget about screw terminal. It will cost around 10 rupees maximum. Yeah, maximum 10 rupees. Not even 10, I feel. 2, 2, 4, and 2, 6. Yeah, it costs around 10. So it will cost around 25 altogether. But online we are buying relay modules for 30 rupees, 31. Let's check on RoboCraze. $38. I think I buy relay modules for 35, 30 or 35. Yeah, so it's almost the same. But if you want to build like 8 channel or something like that, it will be beneficial, I guess. Other than this, you have Arduino kit. Bro, can you please share me price of all these Arduino kits? I don't need, but I'm just curious. Let's try searching Arduino kits. Arduino beginner kit. 2080 rupees, bro. With exam certification, 9,000, almost 10,000 rupees for Arduino kit. That is a Raspberry Pi 5, 16 GB, and want to work with making a tablet. It's huge amount spent. UPS using lithium ion battery. There are some companies selling UPS hat. You can use instead UPS. Let's try searching UPS hat. You want that UPS for Raspberry Pi? It costs around 2000. Raspberry Pi Can't you just use bro? It's 89 back then. Okay, नया फोन ले लूँ. हाँ, 10K में फ़ोन ले सकते हो. टैब भी मिलता है 10K में. That's the thing, bro. Raspberry. Many people suggested me instead of getting deeper into Raspberry, learn about Raspberry, then go to Nvidia. Someone said me that. Someone in robotics field. He said, okay, if you know about all these microcontrollers, you know basics of robotics like ESP, Arduino, and all these microcontrollers. You know basic electronics. Learn basic of Raspberry Pi. Like, don't spend too much time on Raspberry Pi. He said, if you want to do something, switch to Nvidia. But Nvidia is costly. Nvidia Jetson costs around 20,000. Nvidia Jetson Nano. They said if you want to do something in robotics, switch to Jetson Nano. But Jetson Nano अवकात के बाहर है अभी तो. Bro, that's, don't you think it's a like a problem if you want to learn something in this field, like we are talking about? If you want to do something in robotics, or yeah, robotics or something like that, you need crazy components, like expensive components. Yes, Raspberry Pi cost me 12,000. Yeah, see, 12,000 for Raspberry Pi. I have this Raspberry Pi 3B plus with 1 GB RAM. They said instead of spending money on these 1 GB or 2 GB components, better go with Nvidia, because I think it's AI compatible. Okay, so this is my Raspberry Pi 3B plus inbuilt Wi-Fi. That's it. I heard that they are providing Jetson Nano. Nvidia is providing Jetson Nano or some Jetson hardware uh, in some universities to students for free for development. It was some Insta post or something like that. Minimum budget for personal use 60K if you want to make almost anything. That's the problem, bro. Imagine I'm a hobbyist, or forget about hobbyist. I'm a student, and I personally want to build some personal projects. I want to skill up myself and all. And you need all this hardware, Jetson Nano and all. Bro, look at the price. And this is just one thing. You need a power supply, all these cables and all. You need all other suitable hardware. So it costs a lot. And that's the reason I think in my college many people are interested in all these things, but they are not doing it because watch the new Unitary Arduino. No, it cost only 5,900. Okay, $6,000. What's the name? Unitary R1. Let's see Unitary R1. R1. Okay. Chat, is this real? Virat bhai. Is this real? Because we discussed about, okay, it's in 50 FPS. Atre, real वाटते? Real वाटते? Real वाटते काय VFX वाटते?
VFX वाटते. Blender वर गेलं ना.
My roommate is saying they made it on Blender. I don't know, might be real. But for $6,000 only. Integrated with large multimode voice and images. Okay. I think it's real. Yeah, they use VFX and all that miniature stuff for making advertise. We'll watch your video. We'll share idea. Thank you so much, SD. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this stream. Let's try. Let's watch some robot fails. Mm, crazy robot fails. Cause have you seen that video? Huh? Malfunctioning this robot. Also, that one incident where that robot goes crazy on audience. It was some concert or something like that. I want robots versus aliens. Bro, imagine robots versus aliens, and then we turn into zombies. Robots versus aliens versus zombies, and the next day, some scientist did some crazy stuff. Uh, Animal start revolution, or say robot be like enough is enough for real. We are talking about robot fails. Ultimate fails compilation. Also, video went viral about Tesla. Imagine robots versus aliens, then wild card entry of zombies. We all turn into zombies. Robot marathon recently. Let's see. आता रोबो सॉकर व आपण भी ठेवतो रोबो सॉकर गाड्या पाहिजे. Okay, I watched a reel recently. I'll share that. Where the guy says you don't need to build humanoid robots. You don't need robots who look like a robot who look like a human or something like that. I'll find that in my stories. I shared that reel on my story. Okay, got it. Okay, wait. I'll play that on laptop. Check this out. Wait.
The foundational principle of good design is form follows function. The shape of something should be dictated by what it's meant to do. A spoon is shaped like a spoon because it's meant to hold liquid. A spoon is a good complement to a hand because it can do things a hand can't do on its own. A robot hand is not better than a spoon. That is form mimicking form, not function. It's complexity for its own sake. I mean, just think, if humans struggle to do certain tasks, why would you replace them with something that's shaped like a human? You're building in all of these same vulnerabilities. I mean, for most things, wheels are better than legs. Cavemen figured this out. I mean, Elon Musk is trying to build these humanoid robots with legs, but it's like, why do you think Tesla cars have wheels? I mean, technically, you could build a car that ran on legs, but why would you? That's just needless complexity. They're trying to build these humanoid robots that do, like, everything, but all they're doing is ensuring the fact that they're not going to do anything particularly well. I mean, we can barely build a washer that's also a dryer. What makes you think we're going to build a janitor that's also a dentist? It's stupid. I mean, really, what it is, this is human arrogance. When we think about intelligence, for some reason we see a reflection of ourselves. So we think if something's going to be smart, it has to look like us, has to walk like us, and think like us. But it's like, I mean, if fish were as smart as humans, they would build a robot that looks like a fish, and it wouldn't be able to go on land.
Okay, so this guy is saying that you don't need, there is no reason for robots to be shaped like humans. This person is high on myth, but I feel like he's right, bro. You don't need a mechanical human, like, what we call that? A human looking like a machine looking like a human. If you want to do a certain task and you have solutions already, then why you build robot? Like, as he said, you have Tesla cars, then you don't need a humanoid robot. Like he said something like that. Like basically said, your robot does not require any leg. You can just use wheels. Wheels are better than legs. That's what he said. I feel like this guy is right at some extent. Okay, so I have seen that today seen that video of humanoid robot doing laundry. He's using washing machine and all. Watch it. I made a cool pen plotter. Can you share me link or it's on your YouTube channel? Okay, so what I was talking about is robot was doing laundry. He was using a washing machine and all that stuff. Instead of that, this guy is saying you can just automate your washing machine, bro. No wheel only works on flat surface, but legs work. Then you have tracks for volley type stuff. Basically, he's saying that you don't need a human looking. Have you watched that Will Smith's movie where Will Smith is the like he's a police or something like that? Yeah, he's what we call that detective, and world is running. Robots are running the half of the world. Everyone is relied on robots. Humans can't do anything by themselves. I robot, yeah. That robot is cool, but still, it shows the ability of robots that they will have 10x power than us. You better watch that. Everyday task used in hotels, too many more. Yeah, but again, robots are not supposed to be shaped like humans. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but sometimes it feels like this guy is right because, as you see, we are struggling with legs. Like robots are struggling with legs. Humanoid robot has some benefits like exoskeleton. Yeah, exoskeleton is different thing, bro. Like you can turn your normal JCB, black and yellow, into exoskeleton. Just remove those levers and put motors there for hydraulics and control this hydraulics using some like sensors on your body. Create a suit equipped with a whole lot of flex sensors or some type of sensors. It will uh, detect your body movement, and as per your body movement it will control hydraulics of your JCB. That's it. If I do this, JCB goes crazy, your house is down, destroyed. But we need human robot for complex task where sending human will die there. Okay, at that place we don't really send a human like robot. We have other stuff, bro. I think yeah, humanoids are required, but humanoids in day-to-day life feels little bit odd, like that Tesla robot. Sometimes it feels crazy, like if you see that Kai Cenat stream, it was controlled by someone. Why I can't type Kai Cenat? Yeah, this one. Like we have rovers already working on Mars. We have Curiosity, we have I forgot all the names. Curiosity and what else that robot's name which is on Mars?
Hey, Kai. Nigga, there's a robot in my bathroom.
Okay, this was controlled by someone else. They say.
Two. What's 2 plus 2? 1, 2. Yo. Short king. What? What? Can you say Rakai?
Agibot X2 humanoid robot. Okay. Okay, first I will check his Shaurya Satvik. Bro Shaurya, if you are still watching, can you please share link of your project? Share about bro, I can't see your link anywhere here. Is there any other way where wait, here the link. No, can you please paste link again? Bits and bolt. Okay. Okay. Bits and bolt. Okay, this one. Virat Kohli. Okay, so you made a pen plotter. Damn, that's cool. I always wanted to build something like this. I have only one stepper motor for now. Let's read some comments. Clever. Bro, have you watched that video from Chennai, Kerala? Yeah, Kerala. Where they made a plotter similar to this, and they added Raspberry Pi, and they made it like speech to text. Do some stuff with 3D printer, but it's too much. Yeah, I'm thinking of buying a 3D printer. Okay, so in Kerala or somewhere, what they did is they made a plotter like just like this. They added Raspberry Pi to it. They added some speech to text libraries or something like that. And whenever you speak something like anything, like if I say Virat Kohli, then the plotter will write Virat Kohli. So I found it cool because everyone is making plotter used Arduino guide. That's cool, bro. Can you please share more videos of this plotter? Like how you give a task to this plotter, like how you give all these pictures and whatever text or anything. Because I don't know. I never built or never seen something like this. It's also cool. Used is this magnet or that ultrasonic thing? Okay, this is electromagnet, right? Is this electromagnet? Bro, this is really cool. Okay, electromagnet Hall effect sensor and Arduino Nano and MOSFET. Okay, you used MOSFET to power up the electromagnet. Am I right? 20 12 volt one. Go by email is more reliable. Yes, you can. I think I have email in my description. Okay, but how do you keep it levitating? I need to try this. This is electromagnet, okay, but how do you keep it levitating? Is this also magnet or this is just using a feed loop system? Okay, I need to learn about feed loop. Is it PID loop or PID loop? Okay, proper interior derivation loop is a feedback control. Okay, okay. Yesterday I have written all this theory in my paper. It was about open loop systems or closed loop system. It gives you feedback, right? PID. Oh, so you are talking about PID. I was like, what the fuck is PID? Bro, write PID in caps lock, bro. Set point PID function control output equipment operation. Then you get feedback. Key components functionality. The system parameter. Okay, got it. That's cool though. Okay, so used electromagnet. It attracts neodymium magnet. Then Hall effect sensor. मैं चला सोने बाय बाय ए बाय बाय म्हणाला तुला मागच्याला बाय बाय म्हणलं ओके बाय बाय गुड नाईट okay then you used Hall effect sensor. Hall effect sensor, I guess it detects this thing. Okay, so is it possible to control this electromagnet like other than just on off? Okay, this project is cool. Then you have some posts. Magnetic levitation. Okay, do this. Build this, bro. मैं चला सोने बाय बाय. What? No. Drop tutorial of this thing. I think they are selling something like this 3D printed. Atreva. Atreva. Eva. Eva kire. 3D printed आहे इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेट आहे इथं निओडियम मॅग्नेट आहे इथं एक सेन्सर आहे आणि याच्या खालती आर्डिनो ते ना सगळं असं लेविटेट होते प्रोडक्ट आहे प्रॉपर we need to learn about Hall effect sensor. Never used Hall effect sensor. Never tried Hall effect sensor before. Suyash, have you tried competing in line follower? We were thinking to compete. Never tried in line follower. I tried robo race, robo soccer. What else we tried other than robo race, robo soccer, robo war, and project competition? That's it. I want to try line follower. We were thinking to participate in Robocon this year. Robocon or what was that? Robocon or Technocian 2025, but it's in Delhi or Indore, and we have exams and all that. But I want to build one. I want PCB, custom PCB shaped like a line follower robot, and I want to just place all that all components on that PCB and we will solder. Technician 9. Okay. Championship platform empowering young innovators. Okay. So we were thinking about participating in robo race, line follower, and maze solver. We were thinking, but then we checked our academic calendar, then we said no. Is there any age limit or something like that here? Because I don't think while doing college, like until I graduate, I can participate in all these competitions because it requires time and a little bit of dedication, bro. I feel like I will attend and I will participate in all such competitions and events after my graduation when everyone will get married and stuff. Let's see Robo Soccer. Bro, this year I want to organize a Robo Soccer competition. Like very big Robo Soccer competition. Not really big, but bigger than last time. Last time we organized, it was pretty good. In my area, bro, Robo Soccer, Robo Race, all these competitions are very new. It was the second time in our college. Our college is very old, around 40 years old, and uh, we were the second batch. क्या हाल सुयश भाई? कुछ नहीं भाई, चालू है. We were the second who organized Robo Soccer in our college, and these guys were I think first or second who organized Robo Race. So it feels like we are the pioneer here. Not really, but still, it feels like 30 to 22nd September. In which college are you? DY Patil Kolhapur. DY Patil College of Engineering Kolhapur. Okay, this is fair competition. This bot is also like small. They are using Johnson motors and feel like this is also using Johnson motor around 300 to 500 rpm. Because usually what happens in local competitions is they set matches very unfair. Like one player has a bot which cost around 20k, 20-30k, and his opponent is playing with normal BO motors or normal gear motors, which one motor cost around 200 rupees. So it's unfair, bro. If you have skills, then it's cool, but no. We were competing with a proper professional bot with planetary motors and all, and our bot was equipped with normal Johnson motors, 300 rpm, and a plywood chassis, then my homemade RC controller. So it was unfair, but there was no rule, so can't really say that it was unfair. These mighty bots look good. Bro, referee, why you are in there? Lacks a lot in these type of, yeah. I want to organize such competitions on large scale. It becomes pay to win, yeah. And what they do is there are some like not really some, there are many students who are in last year or they are graduated or something like that, and they have made this business, this all this tech fests and all such sports. They made it business. Like they have their crazy bots. They invested 50 30k or 20k, a big amount, and they participate in every event and they just win. There is no joy or anything on their face when they win. They just go attend, win, come back, like grab the money and get back, grab the bag. That's it. That's what they do. I get pissed off, bro. Like here people spending nights building their own bot, and you're like manufacturing it professionally and playing with small bots and all in local competitions, and you are just winning 3k, 5k. They just come, they win, they go. That's it. So it doesn't even feel like a sport. Just you spend more money on your bot, you win more. That's it. So I stopped participating in such competitions. Either play fair or don't play. This one feels good. They are playing in team. Both bots are like equal. Same with Robo Wars, Robo Race. Okay, guys, that is it for today. It's almost 1 a.m. No, it's 1 9. Okay, bye bye. Atharva, say bye bye. I have seen college pass outs, yeah, lending their bot to current students because can't take part as per rules. So they, yeah, so they made a business, bro. I know some people around my town, and it's proper business. They have their contacts, and they just attend. They come in groups collectively. Like, I am one participant, this guy is another participant, and I am winning. I am taking first prize. This guy is taking second prize. Another guy is there. He's winning third prize, and that's it. They are like grown men playing with first year students. And what happens is, students in first year, they are like very excited, we are going to participate in robotics competition or robo wars and stuff. They spend some whatever they have around, they build bots for 2 3k 4k. Many times they play for the first time. And who's their opponent? A guy who's been participating in such competitions for 3 4 years, and he has spent a lot of money on his bot. And there are big scams. I organized event this year. It was my first time organizing such event, and I was like, okay, it will not be that hard. Okay, it wasn't hard, but we had a rule: maximum weight of the bot should be 5 kg and tolerance of 5%. So it's all total should be 5 kg and tolerance 250 gram. We checked weight. They sneaked in big jobs like big weights, metal weights, and some bots were weighing like more than 6 kg, 6 or 6 kg and 50 grams or something like that, 7 kg. They were not playing fair, bro. They had their crazy bots and all, still they were cheating there. So someone came to me and said, bro, can we please check weight of our bots? Then we checked weights properly on machine scale, and I found out that many of these guys were cheating. So I made it, actually it was compulsory to check weight of the bot, but at first something happened and we could not check weight. Yeah, I think it was machine's problem or something like that. Later we checked and we caught them. Like they were cheating. They were adding 2 kgs at least extra than rule. Yeah. But again, we were thinking to disqualify, but our college is small and there were very low people who were participating, like very less people. So we said, remove all these extra weights and you can participate. And we made the rules strict. And then yeah, they played, but that guy lost. He got third. No, not even third. He lost. I know that guy. I knew that guy already. That I thought this guy is going to do something because I played against him many times in other colleges. So I was like, yeah, we need to check this guy because he was the one. Like I knew this guy is going to do something. He had his 3D printed bot, and also they don't run for ball or something like that. They just first destroy opponent's bot, then they go for ball. So it's like a robo war. Okay. Okay, that is it for today. I need to make something for me to eat and this guy. Guys, see you in the next stream. I don't know when I'm going to stream. Might be I might stream tomorrow or I might work on a video. Bye bye Tanishk bhaiya.